How to capture good voice on iPhone. To get started, first of all go ahead and open up the Settings application on your phone. Once you're here, scroll down to the very end and tap on Apps. Here, you can see all your installed apps. Now, scroll through the list to find and tap on Voice Memos. Here, you can adjust the audio quality of your recordings. Under the recording options, tap on Audio Quality. On this screen, select Lossless to ensure recordings are captured in the highest possible quality. Now, open the Voice Memos application. Tap on the Record button below to start a recording. After recording, tap on the Record button again to stop. Now, tap on the three dots icon and choose Edit Recording from the menu. On the Edit screen, tap on the Edit icon in the bottom right corner. Here, turn on the toggle switch next to Enhance Recording. Then, tap on the check mark in the top right to save your changes. Following these steps, you can easily capture a good voice on an iPhone.